everyone, and welcome to Wallie's World of Toys. Thank you all so much for being here. If you're new, please remember to hit that red subscribe button down below and to turn on the gray notification bell next to it so you won't miss any videos. Today I'm super excited because I finally was able to find some DC Bombshells mystery minis to open with you. This is a specialty series by Funko. I love the art on the box. And here are the characters that we can get in this series. So all of these are 1 out of 12. Let's open them up and see who we'll get. Oh, and she just came flying out at us. So first up, we got Batgirl. I really like her goggles that she's wearing. The detail on her boots. You can even see the little backpack she's wearing. So very, very cool. Let's see if she'll stand up. Yes, she does. Next up, oh, cool! We got Harley Quinn. This is a very detailed figure. Look at the paint there on her face, even the position that she's standing in. So super neat. You can even see the detail on the back of her shirt there. Before we move on to our last two, I have a few shoutouts to give. The first shoutout for today's video is going to KiloKustoms Squad. Thank you so much, KiloKustoms Squad, for watching my videos and for commenting. If everybody could please go and support their channel, I will leave the link in the description below. And then the next shoutout for today's video is going to DK, the Legendary Collector. Thank you so much, DK, for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. If everybody could go and check out his channel and show him some support, I will leave the link to his channel in the description below as well. Now let us move on to our very last two for today. Oh, very cool. We got Poison Ivy. So love the colors on her. Really like the kneeling position they have her in as well. And I don't know if you can see, but she does have a tattoo here on her arm and on her cheeks. Very neat. Love the rose in her hair. And for our very last one, and who did we get? It looks as though we got Katana. So really cool figure. Again, love the face paint there. Love her clothes. There's like gold on there. And her cape. Her hair, she's got a dragon tattooed here on her ankle. And her sword. So very cool figure. It's awesome that we didn't get any duplicates today. That is always a plus. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one of these was your favorite. My favorite out of the ones we got today is Katana because of the detail on her. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe! Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you next time. Bye!